Sas! Sassy!
Sir?
Sorry. Are you okay today? I know anytime when I call you, always have it in mind that I want to send you a message. Yes, today, I'm going to give you 15 naira. Go and buy me bottle granules. You know, it's 450. So the 15 naira on top of this 500, use it to buy whatever you want. Today, I'm going to wipe that name, that nickname that you guys have been calling me, brother Staging. I know that Staging. You can go and buy for me.
Bros, it's 500.
Yes, it used to be 500. Go to Brother Murphy's store. Today, he said, I don't know what he's celebrating. He said they are doing bonanza. Yeah! A granite of 500 naira before is now 450.
You mean this way they talk?
No, don't go any other place. Go to Brother Murphy's store. Then you can get it for 50.
But I went there yesterday. It was 500.
Oh, this is your problem. You always claim to be smarter than whoever is talking to you. I said that was yesterday. Today they are doing bonanza. Bonanza means they have cut the price now if you don't know what it means.
Bulaba.
Please, I want to beg you. I don't want you to go there and come back without my granite. Hey! Buy it before you buy whatever you want to buy with 15 naira. I beg you again in the name of God. Don't go there and come back without buying my granite. Buy my granite before any other thing. Where's my granite?
But I told you that it's 500 and you're arguing with me.
Even when you see finish where they worry you, you got there, you discover that the granite is now 500. Murphy told me yesterday, they are doing bonanza and maybe they have changed it.
Bulaba.
Why didn't you buy my own granite? Get in here, explain everything to me. Then I will not give you 15 naira to go and buy your biscuit. Then you bought your biscuit, you leave my own granite. Is that fair?
I'm sorry. I never thought of that. Give me the 15 naira so I can add it to the money. So I can go and buy your granite.
Which kind of rubbish be this one? This one is the only money when I get for house now. This small pikin just catch me.
Bros, I'm still waiting.
Oh my God.
Will you drop that money? Which kind of sleeping in this one? Are you okay?
Bros, you think you are smarter than me. You think I don't know what you were planning. Bros, you are forever brother Stingy. You will never change. Thank you for the biscuits.
If not for God, that biscuit, I would have collected it from you. Which kind? The only money we deal with him for, this small pikin just catch me.